Good morning. My name is Skip Cole. I'm the Director of Criminal Investigations with the St. Johns County Sheriff's Office. With me to my right, I have Commander Bill Burley, and to my left, I have Director Russ Martin. This morning at about 5:40 a.m., our communications center received a 911 call from a resident in the area of Brainerd Drive and First Street regarding a suspicious person in her backyard. She believed it to be a neighbor who she had had a previous encounter with that day. Based on that, 2 deputies were dispatched to the area. They arrived on scene within 10 minutes. As soon as they arrived on scene, they encountered a white male in front of the caller's residence, armed with a handgun. They got out of their vehicles, they engaged the suspect, gave commands. He ultimately was non-compliant. Both deputies fired their agency-issued firearms, and the decedent was struck. They both rendered aid, but ultimately the suspect was pronounced deceased. The investigation obviously is very early on. This information is preliminary and subject to change, but however, what we know so far is the suspect, or decedent in this case, is a 45-year-old white male. He's very well known to the neighborhood. Numerous encounters with law enforcement. We're working through all those issues as we speak, and the 2 deputies involved, both are uninjured. They're both going through the process right now, and we will release their names as well as the name of the suspect later on today. But in a nutshell, that's all I can release at this particular time. Am I forgetting anything? Okay. I don't really think I'm going to answer any questions, so that would probably be the end of this press conference.
Okay, well, how about this one? It happened right there at that intersection?
It happened a little north of the intersection, probably about 50 yards north of the intersection.
Then why are we being held way back here?
Any other questions?
Do we know how many times the man was shot?
We do not. That's all part of the ongoing investigation.
Do we know which officer, was it both officers shot the man, or was there just one?
Both deputies fired their weapons.
Okay, did he have the gun pointed at the officer?
That's all part of the ongoing investigation.
Did he get shot in the yard or on the street?
He was located in the street. He remains in the street.
And you said a lot of the neighbors already knew who he was. Was he someone to cause a lot of trouble in the neighborhood?
We've got at least a dozen calls in the past 5 months regarding his behavior in the neighborhood. That will all be part of a later release.
And I know you said, the officers engaged with him initially. What did they say? Did they ask him to lower his gun?
They gave verbal commands. It unfolded very quickly.
Body cams, were they operating?
Yes, sir.
Will you be releasing the footage later today?
Any further questions?
The residents, were they safe?
Everybody's safe. Neighborhood is safe.
With anyone? Any
Multiple witnesses, multiple people related to the investigation and the parties involved.
so they're cooperating?
Yes.
I'm guessing you're not identifying the suspect.
Not at this time. We're still trying to find his formal next of kin.
I know you said you're going to probably release officers' names. Do you know when that will happen?
We hope to do that later on today.
Later on today.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.